Thank you for choosing Frizzlife. Let's take a look at how to properly use the CW5000. Product introductions. Sample connection. Let's begin the installation process. Please take out the system and all the components from the box. Inspect them carefully according to product introduction, and make sure nothing is missing or damaged during shipping. If any parts are cracked or broken, please do not proceed with installation and contact Frizzlife for an exchange or diagnosis. Email support@frizzlife.com. Please carefully read the precautions for installation location. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Then turn on the faucet to release any remaining water pressure in the system. Remove the existing drinking water faucet. Cut the tubing to a suitable length. Drill a 1-inch hole. Optional. Install the faucet. Load the faucet fixture. Mount the rubber. Fasten the hand fixture underneath. Install the water fittings. Secure them with blue locking clips. Connect the tubing from your water filter's outlet to 3-way fitting. Cut 2 suitable length of white tubings. Insert one end of each of the 2 pipes into the 2 holes of the 3-way water fitting. Lock with blue clips. Cut a suitable length of white tubing. Install the ball valve between and lock with blue clips. Remove the plugs on chiller. Insert the other end of tubing from ball valve to inlet port of the chiller, secure with a blue clip. Insert other end of the tubing from 3-way water fitting point 3 to the longer stem of the faucet and secure with a blue clip. Cut a suitable length of white tubing. Wrap this tubing with provided insulation sleeve. Insert one end into the outlet port of the chiller and secure with a blue clip. Insert the other end into the water fitting on the faucet's shorter stem, cold side, and secure with a blue clip. Connect the power supply. Keep the faucet off. Turn on the feed water valve. Open the ball valve and check all connections carefully for leaks. Turn on faucet to flush the system for 10 to 15 minutes. After the unit is powered on, it starts operating automatically. The buzzer sounds once, the button indicator lights turn on, and the display shows the current chilled water temperature. 1. Default set temperature, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Press and hold the temperature setting button for 5 seconds to enter temperature setting mode. The temperature value will flash. 3. Each short press decreases the temperature by 1 degree Fahrenheit/2 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. The adjustable range is from 39 degrees Fahrenheit minimum to 52 degrees Fahrenheit maximum, cycling downward. 5. If no operation is performed for 5 seconds, the system exits setting mode and saves the selected temperature. Automatic cooling operation. Leak detection protection. Cooling abnormal protection.